Milestones are used in project management to identify key tasks or key points in the project. In ClickUp, milestones are a click app, and you can turn them on or off per space in the space settings. When milestones are on, you can mark any task as a milestone from its context menu. If you're coming from Asana, our Asana importer can also directly import your milestones, setting them up all ready for you to go in ClickUp. Milestones have their name in bold and get a diamond icon beside it, which will change color to match their status. This will appear in all views as well as task mentions. On Gantt view, milestones appear as the classic diamond, showing a single point in time. If they are given both start and due dates, they will appear on their due date on Gantt. One common way of using milestones is to highlight very large or important tasks. That way they can be easily seen, remembered, and visualized, even when sitting in a list of other tasks. Another common use is to make the last task of each project stage a milestone. Then, when each is complete, they signify that that part of the project is done. You can then filter for just milestones to get a quick understanding of where the project is up to. The milestone filter allows you to create any sort of view that requires only showing milestones or excluding them, and can be combined with other filters, grouping, and sorting. This also applies to dashboard widgets. Filter by milestones on widgets to show or summarize milestone data, or exclude them from task analysis. For example, the calculation widget can count the number of milestones done in a project or program, or progress by project stages can be plotted on a line graph. Got questions? Send them through to us at help@clickup.com. And if you have any great ideas for how ClickUp could be even better, let us know at feedback.clickup.com. And have a great day.